Hi, I'm Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy with the Wonder Mix Company. I love healthy foods, and today we're going to show you how to make protein bars that are delicious and healthy. And we're using the meat grinder attachment to the Wonder Mix mixer. I love this attachment, it's great. So let me show you what we're going to do. Really, a health bar, you go down, you look at the store on the labels, and some of them only have like 2 or 3 ingredients and they charge you a lot of money for that. So basically it can be anything you want it to be, but you need things that will bind it together like dates and apricots and raisins. That's kind of our binder, and then the nutrition is the other things that we're going to put in there. From oatmeal and nuts, and then we have hemp, which is one of the greatest sources of essential fatty acids that there is. Chia seed, which is so healthy for you. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, all these are just so packed with nutrition for you, you're going to love it. So let me show you what I do. I just take, and it changes all the time, I just take a variety of things and dump them in a big bowl. Pretty simple, and there again, it can be as simple as a few ingredients or a lot. Just have fun with your grinder and see what you can come up with. Then we're just going to mix all this up. And the funny part is you can probably just eat this just like it is. It's absolutely wonderful. So then is what I do, and I kind of like foods that just really taste good. So I want just a little bit of sweetness in there, not much. So I'm just going to put just a drizzle of agave on there. Agave is great. And then I love the new oil and vinegars they have out there. So I want to put just a little citrusy flavor. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon oil over the top of that. Remember, these are going to all grind together so the flavors will bind up. And then there's some great balsamic vinegars out there. This happens to be one of my favorite. It's a dark chocolate balsamic vinegar. We're going to drizzle that over the top. Give it a little bit of chocolate flavor without all the sugar. Oh my goodness, you can almost drink that out of the bottle. It's really good. So we're going to stir this up, get that vinegar and everything mixed in there, and then we're just going to take this mixture, and it looks kind of dry, but don't worry, when you run it through that grinder, it's going to come out perfect. Then we're just going to take this, put it on our grinder on the top here, and we're going to continue to feed it through there. And we have a little pusher to push it down through there. We're going to turn this on high and just start pressing it down through there. And as it comes through, you can see how it just moistens up when everything is ground in there. After we ground everything through the grinder, we're going to take it and put it in a big bowl. And then this gave us a lot. But you know when I make these, I like to make a lot because they're so good. And then I'm just going to mix this up again with a spoon. And it looks kind of dry, but it's not. Once we do what we're going to do with it, it just moistens right up. Look at that. It's beautiful. So then there's a couple things you can do with it. You can scoop it up in nice little scoops and make little balls like this. And then take the little balls and roll them in coconut. And there you go. You have a beautiful protein ball. Or I like to take pieces of parchment paper. Just cut it up in squares. And just take the mix and kind of press it down. And then fold it over. And fold it over, and then you have perfect little protein bars. I make these and just stack them and store them in the refrigerator. Then when I need a quick snack, I'm ready to go. Easy, doable, all because we have that Wonder Mix meat grinder right there to prepare things that are quick and easy.
Chef Brett, come on in.
We brought you.
Oh my goodness, it's too bad I didn't get dressed for this.
We thought you might need something healthy to give you some energy.
What is this?
Try one.
Oh, I can't wait. Oh my golly. Oh my golly.
What do you think? So good.
I think it's incredible.
Oh, good. There you go. It's healthy too.
Bunch of fruits and vegetables and nuts.
I love it. It's wonderful.
Well,
Oh my
We
goodness.
brought you a whole plate of them. So
You give out the recipe for these?
no, this will have a
That's just
video.
one.
We'll have a video on
We
the
have all
website.
we're making videos in Heidi's kitchen.
Oh my God, I'm sorry about